Okay, so we're back outside. I kept recording people and gloving and shit. This is some graffiti shit. This is sick as fuck. Yeah, if you would give you massage and shit, that's sick as fuck. Oh, that's some mud you stepped on? You can't see it, but there's like puddle there, a big ass puddle. It's like you can bring a jacuzzi and you can like swim in it. It's crazy. Miami's always raining and shit. Unbelievable. If you don't understand me, it's because I have a twinkie in my mouth. Sorry. But if you see before, you saw all the shit that's out there. So the girl with the glove stick is a security. Well, I'm gonna record later on when I get out of here, because I'm gonna rave a little bit. Bye.